Hey y'all, it's Matthew here with a quick FAQ. Today we're going to talk about how EverLogic's licensing works. From Microsoft Office to Netflix, most software companies base their business model on licensing their software to their customers. Basically, the customer pays the company to use and interact with the software under certain conditions. One of those conditions is often how many users can use that software at one time. Here at EverLogic, the number of licenses you buy from us determines the number of people who can use the software at any one time. You can use it on as many computers as you like with as many users as you want to create. For example, your dealership bought 5 licenses from EverLogic. Your dealership has a GM, 3 salespeople, and 2 technicians. If your GM, both technicians, and 2 salespeople need to use EverLogic at the same time, you're good. However, if the 3rd salesperson needs to use EverLogic, someone will need to log off. Keep in mind, you can add or subtract licenses at any time. You can also try our mobile version, which is a limited version of EverLogic built specifically for your salespeople and technicians. Ready to learn more about EverLogic? Take some time to check out our free demo, or head on over to the EverLogic blog and learn about all that EverLogic has to offer you. I'm Matthew, and this is your EverLogic Quick FAQ.